So today we are going to start with how to insert data into PHPMyAdmin database. So I'm going to demonstrate two text fields. We are going to insert data into the two text fields, and on event of click on the button event, the data is going to be inserted into the PHPMyAdmin database. So let's begin with the tutorial. HTML form. I have a problem with my A keyword, so I will be using on-screen keyboard for that. A action equals inserted dot php. This is inserted.php is the another file which we are going to create, which will be containing the database, that is a PHP code. Method equals post, and another element body inside that division component. Font size equals 5. So we are going to create two fields, that is the first name and the last name. So I will give over here first text field name, that's first name, close the bold tag. Input space type equals text. Here the text means the data which we are going to insert into the text field is going to be of the format text. So input type equals text. Then name equals f name Then the next text field will be L name. So I just copied the text line over here. Just change it over here as L. Then we are going to give the button code. So input type equals submit, name equals submit, and value means what text is going to be displayed on the button which we are going to create. So I am specifying it over here as add. Simply add. Now let's close all the opening text, that is font, div, body, and finally HTML. Now we are going to save this file. Let's check it out if something is missing. No. We are proceeding with saving this file. Now keep in mind that you need to save this file where your XAMPP folder is located. So my XAMPP folder is located in my C drive. So I'm just going it over C drive. In the XAMPP folder, you need to store this file in the htdocs folder. In the htdocs folder, you need to create a new folder and place that file in that folder. So I have created a folder named Siddesh, and in that I am going to name this file as project project1 .php, and save as type will be hypertext preprocessor, that is PHP, and just save it. Yeah, the file is saved. Now we are going to create another file which will contain the actual PHP code. PHP $f name this Control C $f name equals to $_post f name semicolon, and same for the last name as your last name. Just change it over here. Here also last name. Now remember that $_post and whatever is there in the bracket, that is f name and last name, it is coming from the previous file. See, just have a look over here. In the f name field we have given name equals to f name, and in the l name field we have given name equals to l name. So in the new file, that is which contains the PHP code, we are mentioning as $_post in the bracket f name and l name. Yeah. Now proceeding with this, MySQL _ connect localhost comma root user. Yeah. In the next line, MySQL _ select database, that is DB. In this we are going to mention the database name which we are going to create in the PHPMyAdmin. So I am going to create a database in PHPMyAdmin with the name test. So I am mentioning it over here as test. $select equals to, now here comes our SQL statement, insert into table name. Here we are insert into project, so I am going to create a table named project in PHPMyAdmin. So I am mentioning it over here as project, and in the project table I am going to give two columns, f name and l name. So f name comma l name values single inverted, inside that double inverted, and dot $f name l name, that is the last name, and simply semicolon. Then the next will be SQL equals mysql underscore query inside this dollar select. Dollar select is the previous line, that is the 7th line in this notepad file. mysql underscore query select, yeah. Then I am going to write some JavaScript code, means after insertion it's going to display that the data is inserted. So I am writing script type equals text slash java, yeah, just java script again print alert the data is inserted. So yeah, and finally the print repeat script and finally close the SQL connection, that is mysql underscore close, and close the PHP tag. Now save this file in the same htdocs folder. I am going to name this file as inserted.php and save as type as hypertext preprocessor and save. Yeah. So just see our previous file, form action equals to inserted.php, that is going to refer the new file which we have just now created, that is inserted.php. After saving this file just open phpMyAdmin. So I am going to deal with test database. So I have created a database named test. So I am just loading that test database. Here it's loaded. And in that test database I am going to create a table name project, yeah, project, and I need 2 columns, so 2 I am going to mention, and just go project table name project, and having 2 columns is created, and I am going to name the first field as fname, and the type as varchar, and for the second column it's also varchar. Now we need to mention the length. What will be the length of the text? In this case it's 20, so 20, and just fname, yeah, just save it. As we can see, the table name project is created in the database. So now what we are going to do is to execute the file which we have created, which is stored in the htdocs folder. So I am going to open a new tab, and in that localhost the name of my file is project1, and it's located in the folder name Siddesh. Yeah. So you can see the F name and the L name field over here. So I'm just going to write Siddesh in the F name field, and the last name, that's Kadam. Yeah, just click add. It's returning error on line number 7. Just hold on. Inserted.php. Unexpected. Just hold on. F name. Yeah, I forgot to mention L name. So just reload it. Continue. Sorry, the file name is project1 Siddesh and Kadam. Yeah, just add. Line 7, insert into project F name and name values. Sorry, we need to close the dot over here. Add. Yeah, it's showing data is inserted. This is the JavaScript code which is showing right now. The data is inserted. Now just click OK. Now we are going to check in the PHPMyAdmin whether we are going to just reload this page. As you can see in the test database, in the project table, the data which we inserted right now is Siddesh Kadam. It's showing in the PHPMyAdmin database. Let's have a look again on it. Suppose I am now inserting as Raj, and again over here as Kadam. Now click on add. It's showing data is inserted, and again after reloading, just check it out. In the project table, yeah, it's again showing Raj Kadam, which we will just now inserted. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.